Looking for a no annual fee business credit card with real cashback and serious perks? Let's break down the US Bank Triple Cash Rewards Visa Business Card 2025 edition. First up, the welcome bonus. You'll earn $500 in cashback when you spend $4,500 in the first 150 days. That's nearly 5 months, more time than most cards give you to hit your bonus. And the name says it all, Triple Cash. You earn 3% cashback at gas stations and EV charging stations, 3% at restaurants, including takeout and delivery, 3% at office supply stores, and 3% on cell phone service. And yes, all of that with no annual fee. That's rare for a business card with this many reward categories. Other key perks, well, it has free employee cards, expense management tools, and built-in fraud protection. Plus, your cashback automatically credits your statement. Now, for the cons, there's no 0% intro APR, so this isn't the best card if you're planning a big balance. And rewards are capped on some categories. So if your business spends heavily in one area, look closely at the terms. This card is perfect for small to mid-sized business owners who want strong cashback across multiple categories without the hassle of an annual fee or rotating rewards. Do you want a simple, consistent cashback for your business in 2025? The US Bank Triple Cash Business Card might be your best bet.